Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to your fitness and wellness. Today, I am vangoss, and today we are going to do 5 essential exercises that you should be doing to stay healthy, mobile, and flexible. Let's get into it. The first one is going to be the squat. Now, if you haven't warmed up, click on the link below for a warm up, and then join me when you're ready. You're going to bring it up right in here behind the back. I'm going to turn to the side, and then you're going to squat down. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, let me move out so you can see me, 8, 1, come on, 2, squeeze it, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now pulse it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come up slow. Yeah. And if you want to do it over, just rewind this back. Okay. The next one, we're gonna do a single leg deadlift, like a kickstand right there, holding you up, supporting you. And then you're gonna come down, get that resistance. You can wrap it around your hand if you want, or ball it up, whichever is comfortable for you, and then come down. 1, 2, 3, yep, 4, 5, 6, ooh, 7, and 8 more, please. 1, squeeze it. 2, work the back of that leg. 3, 4, ooh, 5, 6, a slight bend. 7, and 8. Other side. And that support leg is like a kickstand. Okay, and if you want to wrap it around, bring it on down. Make sure it's not too tight around your hand where you're hurting your hand. Kickstand, and straight down, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, form, 7, and if you need to reposition, 8. Here we go, keep it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now if you want to repeat it, go back over to the other side. Lateral raises, working the shoulders, all right? And you can also get some leg action in there, just like this. Hold it out, leg back, good. Get that hand wrapped around that band, or just hold it at the end. Make sure you got that grip. All right, and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder height. 5, 6, yep, 7, 8. Good, stop right at the top at shoulder height, yep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now we did the lateral raises. Now let's do front. Bring that leg back, switch legs, bring to the front, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder height. 5, 6, yes, 7, 8, push through it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's how we do it. The next one is shoulder press with a jumping jack. shoulder press with a jumping jack. Make sure you don't have any slack through it when you come down, okay? So you're gonna bring it, hold it secure in your hand, okay? And you're gonna bring it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now, if you want to do it over again, play it over. I'm keeping it short and sweet so that if you don't have enough time, this will still do the job. It will. Awesome job. High five me. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Please join me here for the next workout. And until the next workout, goodbye.